Good day everyone, my name is John Simanga from section J2Z, and the topic for today is all about the importance of nonverbal communication. Communication is not solely dependent on spoken or written words. In fact, research shows that a significant portion of communication is nonverbal. Nonverbal communication includes facial expression, body language, gesture and posture, tone of voice, and eye contact. Understanding nonverbal cause enchants our ability to convey and interpret message effectively. First, facial expression. Facial expression are one of the most universal form of nonverbal communication. A smile, frown, or raised eyebrow can convey a range of emotion and reaction. This expression transcends language and cultural barriers, allowing people to communicate feelings such as happiness, anger, and confusion without saying a word. This photo showing different facial expression: happy, sad, surprised, angry, and other different facial expressions. The second one is body language and posture. Body language reflects confidence, openness, nervousness, or defensiveness. A person's posture, whether such upright or close up, sends a strong message about their attitudes and engagements. These are the illustrations comparing open versus closed body postures. The third one is gestures. Gestures are deliberate movements and signals such as waving, pointing, or using hands while talking. While some gestures are culturally specific, others are most universal in meaning. This infographic showing common gestures and their meaning across cultures. The fourth one is eye contact. Maintaining eye contact can convey confidence, interest, and respect. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact may signal discomfort, dishonesty, or lack of attention. This diagram demonstrating effective versus effective eye contact in conversation. The last one is tone and voice. How something is said often affects its meaning more than the actual words. Tone, pitch, and pace can convey emotions like sarcasm, sincerity, or anger. Conclusion: nonverbal communication is an essential aspect of human interactions. It supports verbal communication, helps convey emotions, build relationships, and prevents misunderstanding. Being aware of nonverbal causes and learning to interpret them accurately enhance both personal and professional communication. Additional conclusion: 1. Nonverbal cues play a critical role in enhancing the clarity and the meaning of spoken words. Second, being aware of your own nonverbal behavior can help improve your interpersonal relationship. Third, in professional settings, mastering nonverbal communication can boost confidence and credibility. Fourth, cultural difference must be considered when interpreting nonverbal signals. And the last one is nonverbal communication is a continuous process that reinforces, contradicts, or substitutes verbal message. And that is Visual Aid Presentation Report presented by John C. Manga from Section J2Z. And thank you.